talk. So, man, if we work together, brother. You see me? Man, imagine if Alkaline and Cartel did have an album right now. Dancehall would have done Afrobeat step. Man, if we work together, hombre, tap with till they all up to go link up. Love the clashing bird, man.
Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them.
Don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man, you know the thing set, man. Yeah, people. I see a little interview going with SKIPPA and the JP platform. I say, yo, I have to review this because them look young artists here. Them not really have the IQ level. Like, I see why some of them just, after a year or so, them career just disappear. Them not understand how dancehall work. Them not know the chemistry of dancehall. You understand? And that's why a majority of them fall off quick. You understand? Because them brain matches box. But people, you have to see what go on. Want to listen what go on. See?
But the spark around it, I don't want to be honest to say it because it probably is, bro. Because I forget that it's not a clash, you know. Because first of all, if you're a clash, you have to go direct half time, man. But people can't relate to that. People can't really sing about that. You know, go pretty people. If you notice how Popcorn do, each song they get out of Alkaline and the same clash. Yeah. You know, necessarily aimed after.
Brother, SKIPPA, stop talk what you don't know, bro. The song the way Popcorn drop, that's not a diss song for Alkaline. That's not no clash whatsoever, brother. That's nothing, bro. Popcorn don't engage in a no war, brother. That song is just a song where my drop. You understand? And people speculate things and whatsoever. Is what I'm trying to say? That's not this song directly for Alkaline, bro. You understand? Alkaline directly diss him, Flapcan, every little thing. You understand? Then Alkaline drop a next song. You see it? And kill him right there, so. You see it? So, bro, some of the time we don't understand certain things, we not talk. You see it? That is just a song of Popcorn just put out. You see it? Yeah. I don't directly know nothing about the Alkaline thing, brother. You understand that? Not in the clash, bro. You see it? It's just one of them things. You see me?
Alkaline, you know, you just jump in like time so people can sing it. But so for a man who can clash these days, you have to take care and tell about your man and tell that lie and tell this. And the people can't really sing that. But I think that the Fox said they made up on the same with him. Because now you give a DJ a harder task. Okay? Even that, as you said, I think that was Poppy because Poppy up on a juggling with that number one. Yeah. And then the Alkaline reply can't play with that, none at all. So let me just use a generalized song versus this.
Bro, yo, that man. Jeffrey, I don't know where you really get it. What you mean? You always talk about this one rhythm, not depend on the same rhythm. I don't understand that, bro. What same rhythm have to do with clash, bro? Bro, the brain now matches box, brother. What kind of same rhythm? What same rhythm have to do with lyrics? Counteraction and all of them something there, bro. Stop it, dog. Gonna look on some other thing, bro. That not have nothing to do if somebody for engage in a clash. They might answer each other with the same rhythm. I don't understand that, bro. Popcorn was just a coward, bro. Popcorn is not a clash artist. Popcorn run to Teflon for ask him what him for say. You understand? Because when could have come back come say after Alkaline diss him? Him no want engage in a clash, brother. You see what I try to say? Him no want engage in a no clash. You see it? Him a coward, dog. Him just no word. He's not a clash artist. That's why it never got too far. So Alkaline just rub him out there, so bro. The first song alone kill Popcorn career there, so brother. You understand? Yeah, I hate that there, so bro. Even till this day, other artists still use a song there and diss him. You see what I try to say? So I don't understand what you try. I keep on talk about this same rhythm thing, bro. We rhythm have to do with clash. If man a clash, him just a clash, brother. You understand? Me know say yeah, pan the same rhythm with Movat and Carti, but that different, bro. That not nothing. That no mean say it's supposed to go for every other artist, brother. You understand? We need to think on that talk, bro. This same rhythm thing, you know, make no sense. You see it? Cause at the end of the day, bro, Popcorn drop a song, Zane, and then Alkaline just drop something after that. The song with Popcorn drop on a direct, bro. That sound like war song too, no? When the man goes, okay, man, that dog. You know what, like, what is that, bro? That's a no war song, brother. You understand? That's some Sing J, you know, paper badness thing. You see me?
It's too direct. But what people listen for now, to decide the winner, different from what people listen for back then. So, in extension, how the man create the song, you have to change. That gonna try to change. But then the people that listen to the song are really better song, you know, bro. So come now from move on the song, able to take off, you know, because I tell us a bag of thing, but move on the sounds better. Yeah. These days, if a man get just a 5-minute clip of go viral on TikTok or whatever, bro, that's something when you clash it. Or if you just say something with the people that feel like, say, oh, it makes expose a man.
Bro, Skipper, stop your nice, dog. What you mean by other song that when the clash go viral on TikTok? Bro, bro, TikTok for already. So you go say his song them will go on TikTok whatsoever, bro. That not make no sense, bro. You understand? Cause at the end of the day, once the lyrics go good and man get this up and counter back song and you see me a man can't answer that and all of these things. Yeah, him thing flop. When since this clash thing gone at TikTok? Bro, when the brain really there? Eh? Tell no, brother.
Yeah. So you see me, and the people can't really sing that back because nobody wants to sing about a song where you sing directly for your man. We check it out on the job, but we don't have a sing back in relate. So kind of harder to get the song out of crash tag. So man,
bro, till this day, people still are sing Microwave off a Popcorn, bro. Enough artists play the song for this Popcorn, all of this, bro. I want to baddest this song in a dancehall, bro. Microwave to Popcorn, brother. Some don't know what you really talk about, bro. Yeah, the song maybe go big hit, but when people can use it for beat Popcorn, a lot of artists use it for doing Valiant, Virgin, all Pretty Dan play it, all of these things. Come on, bro. You understand? Open up on the brain, man.
Together, brother. You see me? Man, imagine if ALKALINE and Cartel did have an album right now. Dancehall would have done it AFROBEAT. Man,
bro, this is the thing. Yo, me I tell you about that, brother, you know that. The man say if Cartel and ALKALINE did have an album, dancehall would have done AFROBEAT there. You know, me I tell you to right it. So wait, we AFROBEAT there and we dancehall there. I don't understand, bro. Bro, no realize that, bro, Africa have more people than Jamaica, brother. See? Africa will get more wider push, bro. Them have the people, them have the higher population. You see what me I try to say, bro? Remember say our genre thing kinda small, bro. It's like you not realize what going on, you know. So you are gonna say if ALKALINE and Cartel, see? You say ALKALINE and Cartel do an album, it would have then dancer would have reached AFROBEATs there. Bro, I would you see one youth Rima in a one place some white people or whatsoever, bro. I may say people them stand up on the man, so bro, sometimes when I look on something and realize what going on, you know. You understand? Bro, CALLOB, bro, let me tell you this, brother. Me see when name DJ Khaled, seen and DJ Khaled and Bounty them and Movad and Buju Banton and Cartel do a collab. Where that go? Where that collab they go? Me see Cartel come out and do collab with Busta Rhymes and Akon. Where that go? Where that the collab they go, bro? Sometimes when I talk and I realize reality, you know. You understand? You talk about man. Then you talk about album, bro. If alright, say ALKALINE and Cartel do album. Bro, that's just one track on an album, bro. Where that I go do? You understand? Where that I go do, bro? See, when you remember, you know, brother, when you want the youth, them in raw cash or whatsoever clash, you know, brother. And the people them talk about it and all of these things, you know, dog. You know, forgot, you know, bro. I don't know how to get. This is why Cartel can come from prison and them say, yo, you know, get weak out and you know, not release no music, which you know, release music, but because, bro, you know, this matches box, you know, give. You know, they in a one circle, all of these things, the bag of link up, the bag of this, the bag of that, one bag of artist thing, bro. You know what that do? Drain on the energy, dog. Drain on the energy. You understand? You not focus on the music, you just focus on linking and this and give man strength and all of them look something there, bro. Which that not carry no go nowhere, brother. You understand? What do you must say, people?
If we work together, bro, tap it in the whole for the link up. I love the clashing, brother, man. That's one good point, but I feel like look a war here and there. Yeah, that natural, but what we do, bro, is a dub that. We don't see, we don't notice an artist, rap artist, them drop CALLOB album enough, bro. No. How much time we see we do that? And every time man try to do that, man then get results, brother.
Which result? Yo, brother, yo, OJ Frame make Skipper sit down and a chat be a shaggy dog. When man talk about rapper artists and CALLOB and all of these things, bro. What you mean by we no CALLOB, bro? Look how much the artists do album and them collab with a lot of artists on them. The only somebody when me see no really do that to ALKALINE, brother. You understand? The other rest of artists then them have much artists on them album. It's still not go nowhere, brother. It's still not go nowhere. Cartel drop album with much collab, it not go nowhere, brother. You understand? Popcorn, MASICKA do it not go nowhere. It not go no number one or nothing, bro. So what you are try say? You understand? What you are try say? Bro, that's why I know weak out in the youth. That's why I know weak out, you know. Because all I know do I look strength from man and drain and the energy, dog. That's why I know career not survive for 5 years. You understand? Yeah, man.
Every time. I mean, bro. Like, who do I call about? I'm a brain, I can't think about Bunty and Baby Jam. I don't even know about that, but I talk when we bad. When Bunty? Yeah, when them since like 2 years ago. Well, yeah. Them and Dexter once. I talk like artists when I heat, bro. Like when them hot, them do that. Like how Naz and Nehemiah they do a collab album, you know, so that take off when they in the heat. When last you said that, so that you said that. Yeah, that about me. That's because of ego. Because two artists can't hot at the same time. Because they have to turn against one another. Yeah.
Brother, you know no sense, you know, bro. Want to keep on a look on other genre and try to compete with dancehall, bro. Dancehall build different, brother. Dancehall have different chemistry. At that with Uno, you know, bro. Uno love watch other man too much. At that with Uno, brother. Uno watch other people too much. You see, you think the Afrobeat artists, them a watch we so, and bow down to man and this and that and Ray. Them want them a do them thing individually. I in a dance all alone, me see man, big strength, this, that, way, this, all of them look. So, una go on like say una go on like say, the same look chemistry thing we are going in a dance hall. Bro, it the all around for every genre, bro. You understand? Everyone them do them look collab. Some man like some man. You understand? Una go on like say the other is a genre, them unite. Bro, it's like, no reality, brother. So you talk about collab and, bro, that nah nothing to do with music, bro. Look how much a man put out music on a single with them alone and it go bigger than one man will do much album, brother. You understand? You know how much collab go on in an album in a dancehall, bro? You know how much collab? You know how much collab go on in an album in a dancehall and them still not going away, brother? So I don't know where SKIPPA him then. I don't know if a dancehall him a do or him a do hip hop or rap or whatsoever, bro. Cause I don't know where much I say.
I mean, even look on the melody man them in a dancehall like we don't want them Buju would link up or Berry some Buju. You know what I'm saying? That energy there. You don't really see that no more. And the thing where you push it just to make it worse. Man, if the way you push it to make it worse. You ever single, you ever show story and you ever say something and then I say like, what was it? You never in that clash. Yeah, man, clash nice. Clash from, but never clash properly. But somebody think I don't want the man to clash over even worth it, bro. No, man, for clash, man. No, you're talking clash, man. But I think you need name, but in clash.
Yo, Skipper. You say if I saw you, I will continue going, bro. Your musical career go run left you, bro. Me I tell you this, plain and straight, dog. Cause you did this, so, bro. You cock up foot in a chair, bro, and all of these things. It show you your personality and how you play music, bro. You sound like a female, bro, where I try big, bro. Your foot in a chair, you talk about yo, this in the clash, this is that, bro. You sound weak, brother. You're a man in a dog. You're a man, you know. Remember, say you want something that clash with you, you know. I think a raw cash, you know, brother. Remember, you know, I wanna talk about the little chopping and one bag of rare and this, that, you know, bro. I inform pound yourself, you know, brother. Now you did a clash with you, brother. So, oh no, you talk about this clashing and whatsoever, bro. True, yeah, you get a little attention now and then, brother, but you don't know what you talk about, brother. You see what I try to say? You're young in the game, dog. You're young. The amount of collab me see man I do and it's still not going away, brother. You understand? Dancehall no build so, brother. You understand? The clash them happen in a dancehall. If that never happen, none of them artists I wouldn't talk about them in a real way, bro. Bounty and Beanie a clash stamp them thing. Where people can remember that legacy there. Mother and Cartel, the same thing. So what you talk about? You see what I try to say? Yeah.
Got together. No, them two here there to make a collab album. Them want to drop the ego. Yeah, why not? They have to drop the ego. Alright, them for clash first, them make a collab. But the two, well, they don't come like you don't know a man that makes these days, bro. If a man make a song about a man in the dark, come like a shot in your friend, you know, my friend. I see Lucci and Tug.
Yo, want to Skipper. You know, they must smoke too much weed. You know who him remind me of? Tommy Lee. Him sound just like Tommy Lee. See him so them talk. One bag of nonsense. This a man I talk about CALLOB and bro, you don't realize bro. CALLOB not doing nothing for dancehall, bro. The biggest set of CALLOB, Buju, Cartel, we just come out with the and Movard and Ray. Bro, the song no go nowhere, brother. The song no go nowhere. Then if them man they are giant in a game and them man do CALLOB, imagine the younger youth them. Bro, you not realize bro, I never this CALLOB thing been doing it. Dancehall, bro. Dancehall is a competition, brother. It's a competing category, brother. You not understand. That's why we have king and queen. We fight for the throne, bro. That is dancehall. You see it? And we have a little time where we party and we have with dances, we build dance tune and all of them look something there with the beat and every little thing. And then now you don't know, look a young generation forward in, coming with the little trap thing and all of these little things, bro. But you not really I do the authentic dancehall, you know, bro. So that's why even a day I talk something, you know, brother. Cause you don't understand the music, bro. You're young, same way. Cause the way you talk is like you don't understand what I want. Is what I try to say?
Yeah, and see what they have to go through. So go through. If that they want the artist go through to entertain you, you a thug. Go through it, bro. Yeah, bad man. That's right. Do the bad man routine. That's why I'm trying my best. Can't change the bad man routine because I want to. No, bro. If you have to self-destruction, then redeem yourself, and it's a good story. Alright, I'm gonna answer that. The artist have no license, someone. I'm an artist. We can't really come together, make some hit song, win some Grammy. Really.
Yo, Skipper, go sit down, bro. Nobody do no more interview, brother. Don't do no more interview, bro. You, brother, you just fought in a game with you talk about, yo, come. Yo, team up. Do some, get some Grammy. You think that's how Grammy go, brother? You think that's how Grammy go? Eh? You think that's how, bro, stop smoking, bro. You sound weak. You understand? You sound weak, bro. You where you did a clash, artist. Then I come out now and say, yo, artists, don't follow the money, ray, this is that. Bro, a dancehall with it. This is dancehall, bro. Dancehall is not a lame genre, you understand? You so long when you get a clash, and the place just, Shiba wrote, see where the ALKALINE job key, man, shake up the place, turn everybody in a war mode. MASICKA run out, Tentic run out, look on where they with Malidan and Chronic Law. It's like you don't understand what I want, bro. That are the energy, that are dancehall, bro. You understand? If dancehall unite, it kill it. It kill it. You don't realize, you know, bro. It kill it. You see me? Because when you check it, look on the big CALLOB, Movado. See? Buju Banton, we just come out of prison. Cartel, we just come out of prison. See? Bounty Killer after so many years ago. US. DJ Khaled. The man them dep on one project, them a big giant. And you tell me say this song don't go nowhere. Nowhere it no go. And you there think say CALLOB I go save dancehall, bro. You're sick in your head, brother. You understand? You're not ready. And this is, you see, these are the thing, you know, people. Now me see why the people, now me see why when Cartel leave forward out, seeing, and them can't say these things. Because them young artists, yeah, them confused, them not really know what them want, you know. Them not really know what them want. And it is a bunch of them and them just depend us. Them just in the same circle, same box. You understand? And I just, that are the thing, bro. You see it?
Listen to me. Self-destruct. If you don't do that part there, finish. Go down that part there, bro. You can't do that, bro. Yeah, remember, you know, talent isn't enough, you know. Yeah. Talent isn't enough. If you even look on young boy. Yeah. Bro, young boy making those songs without these charges, that shit not gonna hit. Yeah, but that's not what we're talking about, though, bro. I'm just saying, though. So if a man ever said, he might the baddest in the music. Cool.
Let me tell you, people. You see, negativity sells more than positivity. Negativity sells more than positivity. You see, when you do a bag of good and good and good, just do one bad, and you say for that, if I know that people talk about. Do something good 99 times for somebody, and just do one bad thing, and you see if them not bring it down. Negativity sell. You understand? Remember, you know, bro. Remember, say Cartel, for example, go prison for what him do. Ray. Forward out back. Seeing? The same people who never like him, want him fall out. All of them look something at them and him link up, you know. Everybody a big him up. Yo, this and that. After all, everything wagwan. So it show you negativity. It been running dancehall. You understand? Seem like how Silk Bass can forward out and the little thing with Brown Man and him come sing it about it. Knowing say other artists been singing about other dance and all of them look something there. You understand? That is dancehall. You see me? We copy off away a go on in a real life. We sing about it. It does an artistry movement. You see me? Whatever we see in a society, we sing about it. Where we see where we go on, we sing about it. You understand? And I just saw the thing said. Enough of them artists are negativity. Bring them thing. You see it? Negativity. You see me? Yeah, man.
You're the baddest, bro. Then you can say, yo, Maku's not the baddest, man. I need to be the baddest someone. That's where we're. That's why Cartel now, when him come out and him say, yo, man, I watch the man, I do my thing, they ever sing gun song. It's fine, you gave us enough. It's a redemption part, I know. You see me? He did 13 years. I'm telling you, man. Got you with Blaze, can you see? He played off.
Yeah, I think, yeah. Just a part of that story.
Self-destruct. Self-destruct.
But man, some man, them can't do. Bro.
Let me tell you what with the clash thing now, people. Some of the time, the man them take the clash thing in the street. That is the problem. Seeing? And on the stage now, seeing? It a go worse. With them young generation now clash on stage. To me, I prefer when them clash like lyrically like YouTube and them thing there. Than on stage where they maybe all end up fight or damage each other or whatsoever. Seeing? So if them can drop song lyrically, yeah. It better that way there. You understand? Because at the end of the day, dancehall need that some of my time. Sometimes you just can't make things dead. You understand? Seem like your car battery. Yeah, man. You have to jump start it when it start dead and all of them look or something. They just dance all that. That's how we grow come see. Artists are clash and all of these things. You understand? And what? The man them, that inner the man them legacy. You see it? But you see because enough of them young artists them use kind of use a ego thing more while and levels scared and all of them look or something there, you see me? And kind of no push the energy because a lyrical clash, bro. Just a lyrical clash. You see it? Yeah, man, fees are going to hurt, but at the end of the day, we can say, yo, this did go on, you know, yo, that man I get raised, lyrical thing. Everybody wants to see what go on, and that sells, you know. When you look, vlogger talk about this, when you look, interviewer going in the street and I ask people, yo, who do you think I win the war, Ray. Come on, man. I saw the world, the world is very competitive. You see me? This a country a war, this a country a Ray, this, that. This a country I have to know, say, alright, yo, I have to build some powerful more weapon than that. You understand? And it more strengthened. Each country will get more strengthened because them I want to build the biggest thing for try, you know, overpower them. You see me? Allies and all of that. So now for just understand how the thing work.
Man, you can do all of what we talk about and still work together.
No, 100%. 100%. But, you know, that's how we grow and see. You see me? Just like one thing I be there before all. But them want to go back. I don't think that. You see me? So, well, you know, as people say this, hope you take your advice.
Yeah, I know. But if I go like this, you see me? That's why I'm trying to show man to work together. Because what we did as a youth, if I want to say certain thing in that youth, then take it to heart at different times, you know. So before we even reach us, bro, let's make it. Yeah, isn't it?
Bro, uno young youth, uno take it to heart. Lyrical clash, because uno there, let me tell you with uno now. Uno there on this bag of badness thing and all of them look at something, they understand? And when lyrical clash go on now, uno bring in the badness. Because uno have one bag of 87s behind uno and all of these things. You see it, and so comes the little war thing getting at the street. You see it, that with uno. So me understand with you, brother, because watch ya. Uno maybe I do something and no can't bother and uno want to lose on life and all of these things. You see me? Uno not stay lyrically with the war. Uno go physically with it. And that's the problem. You see me? But people, me have a next thing, you know. Me see Vice Cartel forward out. Zine. Yeah man, me see him forward out and me have to say, yo. Me have to wonder if Vice Cartel not used to doing shows or what. You understand? Like, a man can't just, bro. Yeah, elder, bro. Sometimes you have to act militant, dog. I tell you, bro. You're a great artist, but Jano, some of the time, bro, me have to say, bro, that man just can't, just easy, bro. You see, but listen what I say, people.
People, me can't catch a break. You believe so from December last year till wedding year when the forward black from you. Me have the show after show after show.
You see, these are the thing, people. Yo, dog, we Vice got to depend on this proving thing, bro. Bro, everybody see how the shows, dog. Come on, dog. Everybody see how the shows. You forwarding out and I make statement say, yo, shows on top of shows. Bro, at 13 years of in a prison, brother. 13 years in a dog. So we expect you to do shows. I don't think you gone 50 shows yet. So we expect say you have to do shows back to back, bro. At 13 years of prison for we see it. You don't need to have a forward come explain it, bro. You understand? The artists them been doing shows 13 years when you there prison and I watch them on social media perform. So you forwarding out this, bro, and I say all of them look together, Jano. But listen what I say, people.
Stadium after stadium, arena after arena, weekend after weekend, weekday after weekday. And me get a little break now and through couple of me I do a bag of TikTok video, couple like TJ and the Grinch them go conspire. So right now a 3 more show again. Jesus Christ, people, Canada.
Yo. Yo, dog, you that thing, yo, Jado, bro. It's come like the man that used to shows, bro. It's like the man, I don't know if I'm try to expose him thing, bro. Like, the man that make it seems like, say, yo, you know, this come like, say, make it seems like him a run out of show car. Bro, I don't know him even bring up this TikTok thing, bro. You understand? Like, yeah, we see up on the TikTok, brother. But it's like, you make it seems like, say, yo, no show never did it. So you have to go up on like a TikTok thing and all of them something there, bro. Like, I know, bro. Bro, you always use this, them like a ego talk, yo, arena, stadium. Cartel. You're a big artist, brother. Everybody know that. Saying, you lock up for 13 years, bro. You got a lot of, you get a lot of endorsement locally and internationally, bro. You put couple artists in the game, bro. You see? Everything what you do is expected, bro. Stop make it look like, say, yo, brother, like you never did that, like how this is your first show them for your artist, for your boss. You understand, bro? Yeah, you did that do show back then, but maybe you never did it like on an arena level of them, like how you did rapidly. You understand? But you fall, you know, bro, when I make the people must say, yo, you get back 2 show, you get back 3 show now. Bro, you make it seems like, say, yo, you did run out of show and all of these things, bro. Jano, brother. Jano. But it's way massive, people.
Twice black to black and Dominica. So the 25th of October, the 26th of October, the 27th of October, nobody never October. The world boss in town. What is San Domino?
Yeah, you don't know. One of them things, but I don't know, man love me that you freak dog. Man have to come and explain to everybody. Say, yo, him never really had no show and, you know, TJ, them get show for him and him have this show kind of on like a TikTok thing. Yeah, bro, everybody knows say you love the camera and every little thing, bro. Bro, you know. He might do him thing, people, but you don't know any people. Yeah, man, you don't know things. That one media fact, you know. Yeah, man, that is it.